Welcome to Bike Shift, where advanced engineering meets future mobility and defense technology. Today's focus is the 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2, India's next-generation light combat aircraft designed to take air power to a new level. Built on lessons from the Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A, the Mk2 represents a major leap in performance, capability, and indigenous innovation. The HAL Tejas Mk2 is not just an upgrade, it is a reimagined platform. While retaining the proven lightweight fighter philosophy, the Mk2 is expected to feature a larger airframe, improved aerodynamics, and significantly enhanced payload capacity. This evolution aims to bridge the gap between light fighters and heavier multi-role jets, offering greater operational flexibility. One of the key highlights of the 2026 Tejas Mk2 is its more powerful engine, enabling higher thrust and better combat performance. With improved thrust-to-weight ratio, the aircraft is expected to deliver superior acceleration, higher top speeds, and improved range. These upgrades translate into better dogfighting capability and more effective long-range strike missions. The Tejas Mk2 is expected to feature state-of-the-art avionics, including an advanced AESA radar system. This radar enhances target detection, tracking, and engagement across multiple domains. Combined with modern electronic warfare systems, sensor fusion, and a fully digital cockpit, the Mk2 aims to give pilots exceptional situational awareness in complex combat environments. In terms of armament, the Tejas Mk2 is designed to carry a wider range of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. With increased hardpoints and higher payload capacity, it can support beyond visual range missiles, precision-guided munitions, and indigenous weapon systems. This makes the aircraft suitable for air superiority, ground attack, and maritime strike roles. The 2026 HAL Tejas Mk2 plays a critical role in strengthening India's self-reliance in defense manufacturing. By focusing on indigenous technology and local production, the Mk2 supports long-term strategic independence while offering a cost-effective and modern combat solution. It is positioned to become a backbone of future air combat operations. The HAL Tejas Mk2 represents a bold step forward in fighter aircraft development. With improved power, advanced systems, and multi-role versatility, it showcases how modern engineering and national innovation can shape the future of air defense. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more deep dives into next-generation machines that define tomorrow.